Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So as you know, I have now more time so I can do more updates. And I think that today I already made an update on GameStop and AMC, and another very interesting market I should make an update on is the Bitcoin, guys, because we have the strong move down that we were actually expecting. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let me quickly remind you as usual what I was saying in my last video. So in my last video, I was telling you that I was basically spotting two different information. The first information is that here, the market after the correction that I told you guys would happen around mid-April, that, did an A, B, C here and failed to do 4 and 5. So it was a 3 waves move and not a 5 wave move. So this was the first information I had in the update I made last week, guys. So Bitcoin was trending around 40,000. So I told you that this is the first information for me that on the long term, we are bullish. But on the short term, I was telling you guys that I was spotting bearish hidden divergence. All right. So once again, you have few types of divergences. The one I was spotting last time was this one. So basically the momentum indicator going higher. So usually the market should make a new high, but the market was failing to make this new high. So this is what we call a bearish hidden divergence. So once again, guys, let me remind you, I use divergences a lot, that they are not 100% trustful signals. I mean, usually when you have a divergence just alone by itself, it's gonna give you the right direction of the market, depending on the time frame you're considering. But let's say, if you use the 4 hours time frame, you can say that basically by next week or in the next couple of days, the market is going to trade lower with a probability of, I would say, just a divergence by itself, 70%, something like this. So here I had this divergence, and I also had 42,000 level. That was a strong resistance area. So I had basically two information that were telling me that the Bitcoin would probably trade lower next week. And this is what happened. Then I associate this analysis with Elliott wave analysis. Once again, I told you that here we have only an ABC. So the only way for me to label this complex correction that is happening is by doing more ABCs. So once again, I don't, take this from my mind, guys. This is coming from Elliott wave theory book that is here written by Frost and Prechter. And you can see here, Elliott called sideways combination of corrective patterns, double threes and triple threes. So basically a 3 is an ABC, there are 3 waves, so we call it a 3. A triangle is also a 3, while a single 3 is any zigzag or flat. A triangle is an allowable final component of such combinations and is in this context called a 3. So this is looking like this. You have ABC, ABC, and for example, ABCDE. This is the typical sideways correction that is going to be actually a combination of corrective patterns. And this is, I think, what we're having on the Bitcoin. And this is what I told you guys already last week, right? So I told you we are bearish. I told you we're probably going to go to the 30,000 area again. So I just kept my drawing, guys. You can go and check, my previous video. Once again, guys, in my technical analysis, I will not be 100% right. All right. This is not possible. Trading is about probabilities and expected gains. Like I always say, here I was right. Some other times I might be wrong. But what is important is to understand each time why you were right or why you were wrong. So you're going to keep doing what is working and you're going to correct what was not working. This is training. So we're having ABC, ABC. So now we have basically 3 scenarios. Either we do an ABCD like this. So I just kept my drawings. Otherwise, we're going to do a flat. That's possible as well. A flat, and then it's going to come from here. So second scenario. So in both scenarios, as you can see, guys, we bounce back here. Third scenario, we do a zigzag. And then we break, okay? So in this scenario, we go to the next level, all right? Where is the next level, guys? Once again, if you use Elliott wave theory, this is very helpful because the next level is just the top of the third wave, all right? Either it's the bottom of the fourth wave, like we're having right now, like 30,000, or it's the top of the third wave, which is 20,000. And I don't know if you can see it here, but we have a beautiful head and shoulder pattern, right? Here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, all right? So this is the neckline here. If we break the neckline, guys, usually we make this move, so from here to here, which is 20,000 down. All right, okay, so basically we go to 5,000, which is not possible. So this won't be happening here. But if we break this, we definitely go to 20,000. We might even maybe not reach it. There are so many buyers between 20 and 25. So many buyers. So that are waiting for the 20,000 to be retested. This was the major resistance level a few years ago, guys. Let me have a look here on the monthly time frame. So this level has not been retested. So many buyers are waiting for this level to be retested to enter a long trade on the Bitcoin. I don't think we're going to reach that level. I don't think so, because there are too many buyers between 20 and 25. You know, they just want to front run each other. So I don't think we're going to go that low, guys. Let me go back to my drawings. Okay, so here, careful, this head and shoulder. If we break the neckline on the 4 hours time frame, we will probably go to the 20,000 area, maybe 22, I don't know, something around here. This would be actually my third scenario, which is the ABC here is actually deeper. And in any case, guys, in any case, all right, so we have 3 scenarios. Either we do a triangle here, and then basically end of July, we start the strong move up, or we do a zigzag, and end of July, we start the strong move up, sorry, a flat, or we do a zigzag. So then we go to the 20,000 area. So in my 3 scenarios, we are bouncing back from 30,000. So let's see what would happen here. But I think we're going to bounce back to the 35,000 area, and then there's going to be a question. But even if we break the 30,000 area, careful, guys, this would probably very quick. You would need to be very reactive to get into this trade at those levels. So maybe prepare your orders if you want to get into this trade. And then we're going to have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once again, you're going to have the second wave if you want to enter this trade. So you have time. If you want to take a long position, once again, I don't give here financial advice, but what I would do, I would buy the dip around the 2025 area. I would buy the dip around the 30,000 area as well. I would have a stop loss around the 28,000 area. And then I would use this 1, 2 to enter my trade, or I would wait for the triangle to come and I would play the breakout of the triangle. You know, it would look like something like this. If we have a triangle, here you're going to have a clear breakout that you can use to enter the trade. If it's a flat, it's going to be the same. And if it's a zigzag, you need to buy the dip. I mean, I would buy the dip. I will keep updating you guys on the Bitcoin. I have one more thing I wanted to show you guys is that right now we're having a bullish exaggerated divergence. So now the market is unable to make a new low with the MACD going higher. All right. Unable to make a new low. We bottomed at 30,000 again with the MACD going higher. So we have a bullish exaggerated divergence. Once again, the exaggerated divergence are less powerful than the hidden or regular divergences. So let's be careful. Let's say that there is still a possibility that we break 30,000, but to me, it's quite unlikely. Now, that's it for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button. So you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.